Hello, this is Satbir. The topic of our discussion in this video tutorial is composite function. What is a composite function? Composite function is composed by two functions. For example, we have function f and g. So we can produce another function which we called f of g. So then f of g is defined as f is the in g is the input of the function f, or in other word, f g function is sitting inside of f. So when you're composing the function f and g, if g is on the right hand side, then g, how this composite function is defined, g function will become the input of the function f. And also you can define the composite function f g of f. Then how this function will be defined? So this function will, g function will take f function as an input. So basically you are inserting the function f as an input for the function g. Let's take few more examples and see how the composite function works. So here I have one example where the function f of x is equal to x square and the function g of x is equal to x minus 3. Now first we will find what is the composition of f of g when the g function is on the right hand side of f. And as we know that this composition is defined f, the function g will go as an input inside of f. Now we look into the function f. The function f is defined as x square. So it means if I take my x as a placeholder and I square it, since the function g is input, so the function g of x will go inside of that placeholder. And in the next step, I will place the function g. So if I place the function g, which is x minus 3, so I will get the square of that. Therefore, our new function, which is the composition of f and g, will be x minus 3, the square of that. We can also calculate the composition of g of f. In this case, f is on the right hand side. How this composition is defined? The function f of x will be the input of the function g. And the function g is defined as x, the input minus 3. I will take x as a placeholder because this is how the function g is defined. I will take x as a placeholder and place the function f in that placeholder. So therefore, if I now plug the value of the function f, which is a x square, will be x square minus 3. So this will be the composition of f of g is defined as x square minus 3. You can also define the composition of f of f. So this time function is composed by itself, or in other word, the function f is taking itself as an input. The function f is the input of the function f. So first we will look at how the function f is defined. The function f is defined as square of x. So if I take x as a placeholder and then I square it, and in that placeholder, I will put that input, which is the function f of x is itself. So it means this is the input, so it will be f of x squared. But the value of the function of f of x is a x square, so then you have one more square, it will become x to the power 4. Similarly, you can compute g of g, where g is the input of the function g. In first step, you take X as a placeholder and insert G in it because G is in input. And then you can also simplify this one. You can place the function G here, which will be X minus 3 minus 3. Therefore, this is a X minus 6. This is your G of G, or another word, the composition of G with G. Here I have one quiz problem for you to practice. Please pause the video for 1 and 2 minutes and work on this problem. This is also the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.